Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your personal finances with YNAB, full guide step by step clearly. Open YNAB and create your account. Input your email and set a strong password. Choose your plan based on your needs. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Start by setting up your budget. Click on Add Account to input your bank details. Select the account type, like checking or savings. Enter the current balance of each account. Begin adding your income sources. Click on Add Income and input your expected earnings. Allocate funds to various budget categories. Consider categories like rent, groceries, and entertainment. Set realistic spending limits for each category. Use the goal feature to save for future expenses. Create goals for larger purchases or upcoming bills. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Track your spending by linking accounts if possible. Categorize expenses as they occur to stay on track. Utilize the reports section to analyze your spending patterns. Identify areas where you can reduce expenses. Create a monthly review to assess your financial progress. Make necessary adjustments to your budget each month. Celebrate milestones as you pay off debt or save money. Stay committed to the YNAB methodology for long-term success. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.